Welcome to my coffee channel. I am Thomas, and today I am going to show you how to make coffee without a coffee maker at home, and it's probably going to be the best cup of coffee you have ever had. Well, it's going to be a great cup of coffee anyway. I don't want to make promises, but anyway, I am using a V60 dripper brew. It has an open bottom, has these ridges on the side that lets the water flow freely. And we're using a naturally pre-60 filter. And great coffee always starts with great beans, whole bean. I already ground these, but I just ground them a second ago. You always want it grind fresh. And I have my fresh bottled water. It's been heated to 200 degrees. And you just sort of want to wet the filter so it sort of gets the paper taste, and also preheats the ceramic V60, so everything's nice temperature stable. So we're just going to let that drip down, and then we're going to put this right here. And I have 15 grams of medium ground coffee, and we're going to use 250 grams of water. And if you were making a double cup, you would use twice as much, 30 grams. And we just fill that in. And we want to make a little circle in there. Okay. And I'm going to start my timer. Our goal is 4 minutes. And initially we just want to put about 2 parts water to this coffee just to get it wet, to let it bloom a little bit. And then we're going to just let it sit there. And we actually want to give it a little shake. Make sure it's all getting all nice mixed up there. We're just going to let that drip for a minute, and then we want to slowly add water, washing it off the walls, and just we want to try to pour it very slowly. The goal is to stretch this out to 4 minutes, and we want to end up with 250 grams of water in our cup, which should just about fill our cup perfectly. It's very nice coffee. It has a really nice bloom to it. You always start with great beans and great water. You'll always end up with great coffee. And have some nice equipment if you can. And this works really nice to go camping, go wherever. So we're just going to let this drip down, and if ideally it's going to hit 4 minutes, and it should just about be all the way down. Alrighty, it has been right about 4 minutes. It's still dripping just a little bit, but look at this perfect, beautiful cup of coffee. Awesome cup of coffee. Obviously at a fraction of what you're going to pay at your local coffee shop. So anyway, that's how you make coffee without a coffee maker at home. The perfect cup, superior to just about anything you're going to get anywhere, and you did it yourself. So anyway, if you like this video and like our channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll have a new video for you next week. Thanks for watching.